Hakani gade ka Patisi TV.
Ka Puron Jong ka Phlim khasi hala Marwei ka Wanrida Pingrop ha ka Jingïakren bat ka Patisi TV klethu bun ki jingja sa kan mau bat ki ji kai ki bakalayo nakani ka Phlim ka baningkong jongka hala Marwei ka Phlim ka bala penmi da ka Umjer Productions bat ka bala direct do ba Kevin Karmalki ka bala plak ba house name 8000 shpo ha kani ka Phlim na lor ka Wanrida Pingrop ki wei pat ki blai shimenta kum ki tingshop ki Puron ki kinthop yo Joseph Pingrop Miranda El Nongbri Bashar Boy Nongrom bat ki wei ha kani ka Phlim ka Wanrida Pingrop kala shim ya ka benta kum ka puri.
Hello ngadi Wanrida Pingrop ngadi actress ban ngala shim benta lai tali ki film ka film banga ningkang kadai ka hanga Marwei baar kadai habantoni bat balai menta ngadang ngidang ya shoot ka khandailan hanga Marwei nga news naman siya ha 8000 shpo te kadai ka film ningkong do janga te bon ru ki experience bang ge ningkong do te ka jing ngorung anum la shu hiban clan ka dai te it's a mythical movie so much supernatural te ki batai phang ka puri te nga akum ka puri hang to te bakan mga balong most memorable kalong bangya lit shooting sa kasnong bakateng pamlaban kadai kasnong ba buon da kiyeng trap suda te ngia sa ngia shooting bajtay so it was a wonderful experience.
Sham ale wan shanga ba yen Sham ale Sham ale wan shanga menta kaladai kapot kabakat dua babi tre ne bensa rengkat no bat nga Sham jubab Sham yang hatu phikloi ne ban bot yang
Bayan amsula chuban kremapi
kasih ya pi ngaju berkat bahat pi ban long nang ringkat kumrang terwabak rau berkat ya jingit nela hapi ngaplan bahat pi mensim ka shong karai berthei jing it ngin ya long trai it ya pi ngala pralot ken jing it on beteng klem good hen rei pi tip mo jing it jonga ngada it ya pi la it shisha
ningkong ngalo excited bahan marsendap audition ki oya nga ba I have been chosen as a lead actress. Wow, I was like very happy te hadian pade ki ong ba phi hab akum puri te ki ai ka script yang te ngam hadian katu te ngam nang show no ye ru namar ba ngam tep mos phang ngila ju ngau khana na ki mi na imai ba puri shlong tai sa ho mi ai henrei ka kentien kala pher kum bangari da script te kala long ka tien tengrai khasi te ka bat kapuri kalong jai ba porba ngadai kamayan hang tu film hanga Marwei when I got into the character was totally a different person as in even my parents at home they were like amazed ki ong ba phimla ara bandai puri namar ba hayeng phidei balong bon ktien bala kumpuri pada philong so jai I wish ba philong kumpuri hai so that is
Sham Malibis ngam keren sih.
Memperkali maybe bistom Mayan, Pickle one late but ngasiang, a ling and you don't hear.
Hoi, ngagloi ban lech bat phi.
Kane kade kapo, she sin bani yoma, bale pisga ulera, ale wangin shala.
Experience jonga parbanga shoot de kanika movie kumayan. Te kan long but menta bangalale artli ki project ngidan different characters in every movie tamba kum ka mayan hite it's very tough namar ba lada ai ka script but ngila ban imagine ya ka character as a living being ngila ban set ka example okay I have to be like that okay I have to be like this tamba ngimla ban portray yala de ba kumnu ngin long kum mayan GE. We can just imagine in our head. That was the difficulty that I faced.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Ali. Wan ra hang ne. Shim uniu jing bam nakabanta jung phi. Sawan biang shanga ngan ap ya phi
nga pet yela de bangale pet ning kong do hall namar ba wadda keeper bale voice dubbing e runga khlam ko aban pet yela de namar banga ko abet bakan long bekum surprise banga pet hall and first time nga yela de hall I was amazed by myself hang to hi nga tibba I had this talent of acting te nga yela de like totally different person karkom keren jonga karkom yang jonga penum laban modur ba ngampat we and I had one costume for the whole movie and it's like the hapa movie keep an ibe 2.5 hours tamba shooting shibnai ngadan bet ibe sapti hap saj itu sapti hap ngahaban husiar ba itu sapti so you know dala ong I bakeven director I ong wanri go change dengan phanga sapti ngala long so into the character ba parbangadang phongjan yang am ngadang long ba full me like me marsin phongjan ngala pher kat kom lakla puri and kerkom rekhe jonga kerkom kren jonga kumbangi lare rehearsal kum tu hingalang. Like the moment I got into that dress, I became Mayan. I love Mayan.
Mayan? 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 Mayan?
Syam, pikot yang ah?
Haka tu kosong jingba mapi ayah nga. Dibuntang di kimau sudah. Hanga Marwei ngamla masutu.
Syam, buat ngau pala. Ke ka bangadon. Nga IT lo dapi. Bat kamlong banyak snok bentalang. Bat kiwai kipriya.
Piong wat snow pala? Percaya nga?
Bat ka baay mga. Kadai tang nakabenta jang pi Marwei.
First of all, nga kwa banong ba ngi deban accept ba ka criticism. Criticism kadai ka way ba ka penkiwengi. Bon nangingim jula panchim ya criticism. Tamba nga I appreciate critics very much. Namar ba ladakin dan critics nginum kiu. Te ladaki criticize komon ngi deban pej ba ya ka eki criticize anang tu hingi kiu. Te nga that would be my message to my fellow artists ru ba can accept ya ka criticism. Bangin num react ya ka haka negative way ngiri banshim ya ka positive way. And one more thing kadai ba nga ngolong proud ba ya ki fellow artists jonga hangni hapok khasi film industry namar bangim judan ka workshop sisian lanong indan ngim judan workshop khlam dan nong hikai khlam dan nong le ai ngi laong dan audition ngi le audition ngim tip hi first time le perkhat ngi le audition ngim tip nong you just get the script and you just go with the flow because you know that you have it in you. Tang balong ngai baki artist jongi hi ki dan sam. An kile ban ngilong sha e khun swan ringi le ban. Te ngi what now YouTube ngi what so ka message jonga ka taru kan dei ba we have to learn and kawai ru banum long fake. Teng and banum let through the script ru. Teng ki director ki bo ya ka script or the script writer bo ya ka script henry ngimdei banshu I don't believe in mocking the script. I believe in getting into the character and okay we have to have the idea of the script but at least when we get into the script kamot ngila ban ong hi kat bami na masim jongi and that is like the true character namar bangila rum and even the director will appreciate you. So most of the time hakasi movie nga iba bon ki mock up. So hakato ka jing mock up haka acting teng iklet na ban act na mabang iting yung iklet dialogue. So that is not getting into the character. Getting into the character is a different thing. When you totally get into the character, you forget everything.
MP om sukwa barshat kri shar MP
Syam? Pilih yang ni?
Em Muswani.
Balai Syam, pimpala saya ban kelai kecing pos ni Jong ki.
Jemput senior you kata. Dari kiwi kemengat, pi tu ban ngai eminga.
Ngan ngai kum no kan ya pi. Haba pikiran be kum ni Marwei. Kata kabri ko ba pikiran ro ngam yo I. Kadan syai kata.
Em kata hing ong ka dialogue delivery once we concentrate in the script. Ngila ai ka script yang I, bon gi artist kimla ban modify. Kamut ngi mock up na. Te ladang ngi mock up hapo in front of the camera long kumba ngi read. Long show kumba act namar ba ngila clear acting. Ngila concentrate bet tang ba em ngan dei reban clear dialogue. Balai namar ba kataru ka dei baduna preparation but ba he can sting ken. Namar ba once you get the script, you go home, you rehearse, you look in the mirror, you videotape yourself, you ask, you don't. I think it's a very funny thing. Mentahi nganang wanya ka audition ke dona. And menchisingi nganang Shang. Who are my audience? My mom and dad. I mean, like, they are very supportive. Ngadan bok bhang ayo imay pa balong. They are very supportive. I made them sit as an audience and I act. Ngadang along ready yelade. And my dad was the one raising hand, of course. And young ba wanri kampar biang. Emotion is very less. So you know, like, okay, I took his point of view, and so I did it again. So you know, like, the first thing is that you have to be prepared.
Man kasngi ya pingak mi lenti kuma pingan shem ken ha e wat lang ayat sao dong perte ya jingit nganam penle no e tang ya pi jing it bangan ai hakut chadem to da tingka ya pi ngala plalot ken jing it on beteng kem good and ray pitip mo jing it Jong ngada it ya pi nga it shisha.
What I was saying was ngi haban long prepare ladang ngila shim serial shishaya ka scrim ngila it shishaya ka to ka character ya ka ibang ngila la ayangi ladang ngila rung shishaya ka to character te kumut ka dialogue le dan kam banlong but strictly according to the script ngila ban ong hikum barung nam ngila rung hapo character, so we know what we have to play.
Asop kuman palan ba iba Jong pi in one sti yang
Hoin me.
Ti len akum ni lumlang noi ka Jingïakren nang ta pung kha no ka ya o sa ka we de
sa sei no to ka chang sang thia Jong I
ka chang sang thia khnang ba in da wan in yo na ala
Yo sngo khon. Hoin me.
La 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 Ngodon baban yo iya kari ki jingkela bawan menta namna banyo ni thau haki sur jing wai ngang ken udon hon padap tan jing man ha Marwei nga suka mensin bandan hari imei shalash nong lawan pai slay hala Marwei ngasuk kenjai.
Hoi, Desmond, Grace, and Basil, idan sa iway singer, and mangaruk ngarway. Sai se ngas ngutunat Marwei. Ka Jingrai ngatharai ba kadai hanga Marwei has the best songs. Anyone can relate to that. Anyone. Ka Jingrai kemen ru ba kemen palat hi Jingrai balong love song ru banga play manga ba di actor Joseph Pingrom te It's really good, and Desmond and Grace Little, they are one of the very famous singers, and I really love them as people. I really love them as singers, and I think a long successful Bhaka Jingrai.
Haka jing em ka jonga Nei tang happy banga la rai ko Hanga amdan shuki mau jin tho Sa tang bangan kedup hasyada Ban men siam jonga kakmen Henry Barrow long le no Jingïakren Kensan Bor bom boy berkha Na alianga Jauki oma Ngam snow nang shu Gom no ken gan le Smoke sik thang hanga ki be Ya jing iet banga la tingkai Menta ki shulong kam kai Sa shi siet changa pila mo banwan pai
Ladang akren pangka acting por banga akbat I ba Joseph Pingrok ngabun hesitation namar ba pitip hingi de syukur so you know like ngi kum artist ladangi la ong hi ba phideshi samla and ngi haban mundur hi ba ini de samla jonga and that time it was this awkwardness but oh my god ide men jonga yem de samla jonga so there was a bit of awkwardness ka Jingrai so that was the one thing still being an artist we forgot everything and we just went into the beautiful song ta sa kawai pat ka shooting ni ale bon jakahi bon hapo pamlaban nai tamba we bakadei ka fen puri tingi bon haum hamau haplang
Kasih ya pi ngaju berkat Bat pi ban long nang ringkat Kumrang terwabak rau berkat Ya jingit nelah hapi ngaplan Bat pi mensim ka syong karai Berthei jingit ngin ya long trai It ya pi ngala pralot Ken jing it on beteng klem good Henry pitip mo jing it jonga Ngada it ya pi Nga it shisha
Nga sungutanat shibun mangadap ka Jingïakren baka batesi channel kan pen iye ka film hanga Marwei haka channel jongki te nga kerpat epi baro kinong pet ba phenya pet khnang e ka film hanga Marwei kadai ka film ba ki mi e pa e imei jongi si thu khana yangi te bingi jupule ban ngi ngap tang ki mi naki ndai menta phenyo ban pet da ka film te don't miss it please watch thank you kubishibon
ya kani ka Phlim hala Marwei on sapni pet ba ha ka batisi TV ha ka arpusan bat arpun riu terik mentau penai risau arajar khatnyo